Odisha Law Minister Prithviraj Harichandan has raised serious concern over reports of social media reels being filmed inside Lok Sabha Bhavan, the state's main administrative headquarters. He stated that the building exists solely for governance and official functioning. Filming reels inside the premises, whether by staff or visitors, will not be permitted. The Law Minister said the Home Department will issue clear instructions to security personnel posted at Lok Sabha Bhavan. Any instance of reel filming will invite immediate action, with security staff and police jointly intervening if required. He clarified that the restriction applies equally to employees and outsiders entering the premises. Harichandan emphasized that maintaining discipline, dignity and security inside Lok Sabha Bhavan is essential due to the sensitive nature of administrative work carried out there. He added that the Home Department is considering formal guidelines to regulate conduct within the premises and prevent non-official filming in the future.
Lok Sabha Bhavan साधारण लोकों पाखे शासन व्यवस्था को पहुंचेबा सरकार विभिन्न कथा को पहुंचेबा एवं शासन तंत्र को नियंत्रण करवा एटा होची मूल लक्ष्य से भितरे कार्य करथिबा लोक होंतु कि बाहर लोक होंतु सेठी कोनोसी प्रकार रील्स इत्यादि करिवार कोनोसी अवकाश नाही तेणुकर मु भाबुची से कथा जदि होउची निश्चित भाव रे हमर सिक्यूरिटी एजेंसी जो माने अछंती से माने समस्त से कथा को देखिबे एवं पुलिस विभाग तार यथार्थ जो भली भाव में करवा कथा ताकू करिवो एवं आशा 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 करा जाउची जे एभली कथा आगामी दिन रे भी लोक माने के करिवे नाही।